Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to add Spotify to Notion. So let's get started. First, open Spotify on your device and choose the playlist you want to embed. This can be any playlist, your study playlist, workout playlist, or even one you've created yourself. Once you've opened it, click on the three dots next to the playlist title. From the menu, go to Share, and then select Copy Link to Playlist. This will copy the full URL of your playlist. Now head over to Notion and open the page where you want the playlist to appear. Once you're on the page, simply paste the link. Notion will automatically detect it and show you an option that says Create Embed. Click on that button, and instantly your Spotify playlist will load into the page. After it appears, you can adjust its size. Click and drag the edges or corners to make it wider, taller, or smaller depending on your layout. This is helpful if you're trying to organize an aesthetic dashboard or fit it inside a specific section of your Notion setup. One thing to keep in mind is that embedded playlists in Notion only play 30-second previews of each song. This is a limitation from Spotify, not Notion. So if you're trying to listen to the full track, you'll still need to open Spotify separately, but embedding is still great for quick access and adding a music vibe to your workspace. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.